So, yeah.
Mine? Guys. Okay,
Guys, I know what to do this. Cloud slime. So pretty.
Mine?
Frog slime.
Okay, so we're gonna find any beads we can use.
Yeah.
So we'll be right back. So we got our beads.
Yeah, in a little case. And in our case, we made it at last year, December, so we took it out. So pretty.
Yeah, mine was not that pretty. It looked like a block.
Yeah.
There was too much glitter.
Give this to me, Dad. Okay, so now
So let's put in the beads.
I got really pretty
So
beads.
and
Frog slime.
these. And mine is like kind of ruined the stars. So let's put it in. Mine is Chloe's like really better, I think. Because mine is too bad.
How did you see mine, bro?
Huh?
How did you see mine? You can't see others.
No, I didn't see yours, but like mine is too ugly.
Where you said mine is so pretty.
I think so because mine's too ugly.
It's kind of ugly because I put the beads on.
Yeah, this is really ugly. Look at the final result.
Me too. Frog slime. Let's do it now. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Okay. This is my slime. This is called cloud slime. It's not that cloud slime. See, let me show you. See, there's like blue and purple beads, and the color I used is this, and this I used it like a really little bit. I used purple and blue.
Mine is this.
She wanted to do mint, but
Yeah, but it kind of, yeah. Did too
how
much
much
green.
did you even put in?
But texture is pretty good. So the color I used is this one and this one. I poked the dot with this, but I squeezed it.
Oh yeah, and guys, did you also see that? Remember that, like. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh my god. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.